Yo, what it do, YouTube? You know your boy Perk, baby. Snow phone haul, blue ice hauler. Got ice hauler here, man. For go like a little truck meet, car meet. Told me, Perk, bring it on out, man. So I was like, man, you know what? All right, man. She ain't ready, but she ready. So went on, got it, pulled it out, man. Got to put some slob on the tire though. He gonna get on my truck. It's my last month on my car though. Last one on the car. Yeah, I ain't like that. I know I got the wrong stuff. That's the slinging stuff all on my ring. Right. Meet up with Travis. He was not watching my car, man. Seeing water spots and stuff like, damn, they come for me. See a little water leak, but I don't know if it's mine or not. Yeah, YouTube pulled over, waiting on Great Smoke. Travis coming up in his truck. He must put the rims back on. But yeah, man, I'm about to get back on my truck, man. This is the last month on the cutty. I got brand new door handles. I gotta give me 2 pins. I think I'm gonna change these mirrors out to the small sporty mirrors. What y'all think? Them mirrors, they stick out too far. I gotta get, come on. I gotta get 2 new tires to match the back tire. So I gotta get 2 new tires, wheel alignment, door pins, order my disc brake for the back, and that'll be it, YouTube. That'll be it. I can go on send to the paint shop. But Blue Ice is taking all his money. Blue Ice is taking all his money. Yeah, that's all I need. 2 new tires, wheel alignment, disc brakes in the back, a set of door pins, and a grill. And a grill. Like I said, my grill done it. Man, that truck do look good. That's all I need, YouTube, and she be on her way. So I'm thinking about May next month. One boat now. Should hold it. Yeah, hold it. I'm thinking about next month, YouTube. She should be out of here. Y'all see no leaks, none of that, man. Hello, man. Come on, Travis, hurry up. I can get away from the west side. He rock a trailer over here, boy. Yeah, man. Hell no. No. Nah, she ain't gonna sell. Like these rocks, you ain't got no money to buy it. Get some pictures. Nah, I ain't getting no pictures. For the ride out, waiting on Travis pull up. Ooh, look at that back end, man. That back end with that roll pan. That smooth tailgate. Yeah, YouTube. Like a little truck meet, man. Come on, Perk, go on, drive it. Man, I ain't stressed about driving. I'll drive mine. I said, I ain't gonna be down all day, though. I think it started at 10 to 3. Oh, no, I'll be gone about 12. Be down about a couple hours. Get on back. Y'all know Saturday, me and my wife, we go to the casino, baby. Waiting on Travis to come so I can get his car, his truck. But yeah, man, that's all I need, man. Door pins, disc brakes, grill, 2 new tires. I'm looking at $1,000. All I need. Yeah, I'm looking at the truck. I'm looking at $1,000 a day, and my truck be complete to get ready to get shipped off. But I can't work on 2 cars. I work on 1 first. So y'all know I got my Terry in the shop. He doing that over. I got that in the shop. I got another one from Junkyard. He doing that, same color as that. Getting that done. Everything getting 1 color. No more 2-tone. So that's why y'all see parts missing. That's in the shop. 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 Steering cover in the shop. I got some more headrests. That's in the shop. The only thing I ain't taking in the shop is that. I may paint that. I may dye that myself. I ain't taking that out. Then my interior be complete. I'm gonna rock this dash to pop a fall. And I'm gonna put the dash that SK got in his colors. I'm gonna put that in here. And she be out here. I got another wing. The dude paint my stuff. He gonna have to put the wing back. I'm gonna put the new wing on. And I'm covering these up. I'm covering these up. I'm covering all this up. Well, look at Red Flame come rolling. Look at my dog. Woo! About to ride, YouTube. You about to ride. Red Flame don't put the rim back on that thing. Red Flame don't put the rim on it. Red Flame don't put the rim back on that thing. You gotta go all the way around. Look at he hated people. You gotta go all the way around. You missed it. There's only 1 exit to get in here. Red Flame don't put the rim back on that thing, boy. No, I got an OBS. He got an OBS. I got a G-body. He got a G-body. Red. Now this great torch. Great torch. Great smoke. I got the name. It's probably though. It's somebody's name. It's one name. Hey, we forget ready to ride out. You too. That boy won't put no rim back on that thing.
All right.
Yeah, get ready to ride out, baby. Yeah, we hit the. What's some photo colors? I'm gonna how to do about that color, man. I need that photo color. That's Nathan I'm building up, man. I want me a photo cutter, baby. I want me a photo cutter. I need a photo cutter, baby. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Gonna do a little riding, YouTube. Meet up with the boys down the road for the ride out. For the ride out, YouTube. Oh, look where it's going. For the ride out. Okay. Let's ride, baby. Let's ride, baby. Let's catch this chump. Ain't no man for the ride, boy. You too, you see it, baby. It's truck life, baby. Truck life, baby. Man, they out here deep, baby. See, we got the GMC, the OBS, the Tahoe. Come on, go. Look at my guy. What's up, man? What's up with you, boy? Seeing you in a minute, man. What's up with you, man?
All right. Yes, sir. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Woo, this dude is clean. God. Woo. Woo. Wee. Look at that dude, baby. Oh, killing. That dude is killing. Hey, Dooley killing. God. Boy, that Dooley clean, man. That Dooley clean. Boy, they ain't no butt truck. You too, we outside with it. Ooh. Look at the front.
What's going on, man?
Hey, just gotta chill. Yes, sir, man. We better.
Oh yeah, we about to eat up this hour.
Hey, see this what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, boy. Got that chest out of her. I'm about to go live real fast. Make them mad. I'm about to go live in a minute. Make them mad. Third, you two, they riding out, baby. I want to follow the pack. I want to follow everybody. Get this good video. Get this good video, y'all. We outside in the trucks, baby. Gotta put my glove on though, man. That stand was hurting my hand. Now, where it is? 1, 2. Yeah, throw it down somewhere. Wow. What that Dooley? The Dooley already gone? Man, I missed the Dooley. No, I want the Dooley if I want to see. I want my glove at. I need my glove. What I do with it? I'm missing one though. I want to see that Dooley, baby. Woo! Look at that thing clean. Look at that Dooley, boy. Boy, that thing tough. Boy, that thing tough, you too. That thing tough. I got y'all back. I got my seatbelt on. Woo! That thing tough, boy. That thing tough. Boy, that thing is tough. Woo-wee. Boy, that thing is tough. Alright, I gotta catch it back now. Yo, too, we outside with it, baby. Truck life, baby. Truck life, truck life. Truck life, truck life. Truck life, truck life. Yes, sir. Outside Jordan Tours, baby. That's what you building for, baby. That's what I build mine for, the ride. Man, I hope I got it upside. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Big boy truck, baby. Yes, sir. OBS thing out here, baby. OBS thing out here, baby. Road cutting up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. Road cutting up, baby. That's my dog. Road cutting up. Road is cutting up out of that truck. Road out here cutting it up. Yes, sir. Woo-wee. That thing tough, dog. Yeah, that thing tough. Yeah, that thing tough, baby. Woo-wee. Yeah, that thing tough. All right, YouTube. Get y'all back later, man. I gotta slow down now. I'm gonna be behind.